Hi, welcome to miamieventdecor YouTube channel. Today we're building a double round frame garland. And it's going to be installed on a backyard just next to a nice swimming pool. So first we're going to build the pillowcase round frame, 7 feet, and another round frame will be without any pillowcase. It's another type of frame, a little thinner, but beautiful and gold. And through that will come a long balloon garland.
So I'm using double stuffed balloons today. Pink color made from pink and white. I use blush and white for this color. And I use gold and white for this nice gray color. I'm inflating an 11-inch at 16-inch balloons and I'm making a cluster of 5, 2 and 2. It's very nice each color. I love them. I have cluster of 3 balloons, cluster of 2, and so I'm having cluster of 5. And a little bit later I'm going to tie them level along. So on that is top balloon, I'm using only inner balloons to tie them together. So just go around. Don't try to use both balloons. It will be very hard to do. Just inner balloon. So I made first cluster of 2 and now I'm just adding 16-inch balloon to cluster of 2. I'm using a fisher line to tie my balloons. I'll start from pink clusters. Now I want to add only cluster of 3 balloons because I want to make it this part a little wider, but 5 balloons is too much, so just inflated 3 and adding 3. I'm using clusters of 5 balloons to build my garland, but you can make cluster of 7 and 8 balloons. Just for me, I prefer to make it as long as I can and add some additional cluster if I need it. I don't want to make it very wide right now. And if you can't to make as long as I do right now, if you don't have enough space, you can make few small garlands and attach it together already on the backdrop.
Here's my favorite. 24-inch double balloons, one inside the other one. Always scared to have this popped to me, but it never happened. So let's be confident and just wait until the balloons inflates until you reach the size of 24-inch and simply tie the inner balloon and you'll be good. So here I'm gonna prepare double stuff 5-inch balloons with a stick. So I put one into another and I'm gonna inflate them. These are pretty small and strong, so it's very hard to do with an electric pump. Doesn't work.
Here you go.
So for that I'm gonna use a manual pump. Like this, I can actually inflate.
And I'm doing a single balloon so we can put it inside of our podium. So we have transparent ceramic podiums. We're gonna put these balloons inside. Let me bring one to see how it looks. I think I'm gonna cut this part so when it's short it's look better. I'm gonna cut this part because it doesn't look good here. You see? So it's better when it's okay, just don't cut. What are you doing? Just, you see, you have like this. You just cut it all together. Just don't cut.
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16.
Right now I will do a small garland. So we place it inside of this empty podium. So I'm gonna hang it from here to the bottom. So we're just gonna do clusters like this inside. So while it's raining outside, we can't do anything. We're filling up podiums.
So now it's time to place our garland to the two frames. So we start from the left and we're gonna attach it to the empty frame, the one without pillowcase, and for that we're gonna use 260s. So let's attach it good and very easy from the frame to the inside where you have all the fishnets that holds all the clusters together. And the other end of our garlands, I was gonna go to the opposite side of the round frame. I'm gonna use another 260 for that. Again, super easy to attach. Simply goes through the balloons up to the fishnets. So now we have a very long garland that covers both frames, but not completely, not entirely. So because we are now attached to the two frames, we can adjust the length of our garland with some additional clusters. Here we're gonna stick the message onto the fabric pillowcase. So our message is pre-cut with our DIY cutting machine. We'll show you in another video how to use this machine that we have, and we'll post some videos about the software and how to use it. For now, we're just sticking it. We just use scotch tape to take the sticker off his paper sheet, and we make sure to put the message straight. That's the hardest part, make it straight.
Do you think we can tie them a little bit together like this? Maybe we can make a string from here to there.
As you can see, gold frame is bending a little bit, but I wanted to have it straight. So Mark is attaching a fisher line, and he's gonna make like a wire between both of the frames so it stays straight. And if you work outside, don't forget to put something heavy. We have like heavy base for our frame, but you also can use a bags with the sand. And additional, we attach our frames to the trees behind. We're trying to secure our frame as much as we can. We don't want anything to fall down during the event. I made a cluster of small balloons, 5 9-inch balloons, to cover empty spaces between my garland. And now Mark is adding one podium. What we built is going to be behind our garland, and we will put flower arrangement in it. more flowers are coming. We're using fresh flowers in our garland. So we are adding single roses. If you see, we have small cups with water in our roses, so it stays fresh. So we're adding more roses everywhere in the garland, and we have few more big flower arrangement. We didn't do flower arrangement by ourselves. We ordered it from floral store. It's very beautiful and nice. It smells so good here.
Such a beautiful day today. We have teamed up with great people for this job. We did balloon garland, flower arrangement, and a table setup. Everything looks amazing. Look at all this matching color. It looks really great. Anna's working on small details to make it look perfect. What do you guys think? If you have any comment or any questions, please don't hesitate. Write under this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. We'll be posting more videos for you.